Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to download and use the Start Menu Troubleshooter in Windows 10 and give you a little information about what the Troubleshooter does. Check the video description for this page and follow this link, or just Google Start Menu Troubleshooter Major Geeks. That will land you right there. Click on download now, and in a few seconds the download will start. And if you use Chrome, you can click it from your downloads, or you can open File Explorer, double click, and extract start menu.diag cab. If you don't have file name extension showing up, you may not see the diag cab, but that's okay, you don't need it. So let's extract it. Did I already do that? I don't know. There we go. So you can close this page, and just so you know, here's the thing about troubleshooters. They're really cool. They basically include a database, if you will, of known problems and then their solutions. And it can check the database and then make repairs if any of your problems match the database. And it's harmless to use. So go ahead and double click it. Basically what happens is it's going to find a problem and fix it, or the obvious, it's not going to find a problem and let you know. So let's take a look. Here's your advanced. I recommend you leave that alone. It's apply repairs automatically. If it finds a problem, that's what we're here for. Let it fix it. So I wouldn't touch advanced, but I just want to show you so you have the option for people who are a little more comfortable playing with their computer. Click next, and the Start Menu Troubleshooter will look for problems. As you can see, I don't have any problems. I was going to break the Start Menu, but I didn't bother. So what you want to do is check your view detailed information, because here's the thing. Your problem wasn't fixed, you still have your problem, but what you can use this tool for is you just did a whole bunch of things, not you, but you checked against a whole bunch of potential problems. So line your mouse over, and if you happen to read a guide or tutorial somewhere that tells you this is your problem, you know it's been checked. Registry key, a little tough to fit it in here. See if I can get it in there. Something about the device access global, so if you happen to find that problem, you know you've got it. There it is right here. It's repeated down here. So you look at the problem, it says, oh, we'll check your global key here. Then you know you don't need to. You have detection details. Nothing really important. It's going to help you any. The same with up here. It's just a link to the lower section. So everything you have is just these. It just eliminates these couple of possible problems. So there you have it. I know we don't have too many problems with the start menu, but when you're done, don't forget that you can also scroll down here. We have a few fixes for other stuff: not responding, speeded up, not working. Re-register the start menu. That could be really handy. That's a PowerShell command that can fix a lot of start menu problems. And there you have it. So there is how you download and use the Start Menu Troubleshooter in Windows 10. Very simple to do. Lower right corner, Major Geeks logo. You line your mouse over there. You can subscribe to Major Geeks, which we would really appreciate, as always. And we thank you all for the new subscribes over the past year. Thanks for watching, as always. See ya.